welcome to my channel Tuto Tecnologico. Today I'll show you how to record your Chromebook screen. This video is not focused on those Chromebooks that don't have the Play Store already installed. This video is focused on those that have the Play Store already installed. I'll ask you to subscribe to the channel for more English tutorial that are coming to the channel, and I hope you're doing well, you're staying safe at home, and let's start with the video. The first thing you'll have to do is go to the Google Play and look for DU Recorder. Well, that was the old name. They changed the name, so it's that one that says Screen Recorder, created by My Movie Inc. You will have to download it and then you open it. I'll open it now and show you some part of the interface. It looks like an Android phone, but once you change the settings, it will start recording the whole screen, the whole Chromebook screen. So it will not look like an Android phone. You can change the video quality, video resolution, frames per second, and everything. Where to save the video, show the record window, either hide it, the countdown, and everything. You also can take screenshots, and you can edit your videos from the app. That's it. If you like the video, please leave your comment, like the video, share if you have someone else that could like this video too, and I'll leave you the link in the description box. Thank you for watching the video.